one is called a rolling inversion. Same kind of scenario where if you're in front, it's all good. But yeah, so he's changed the angle on me quicker than I can. And again, he's changed the angle. He's gonna close the distance, change the level, and get like his head's super close to mine right now, right? So he's looking to come all the way around if he can, maybe, or right? So rolling inversion, it's one of the inversion movements, commonly called like a Granby roll, or there's lots of different names for it. But basically, he's changing how he's coming down, and as he's coming in, my head's really close to his. If I create the distance away from his head, I'm rolling, my elbow and knees are still close together, gonna pike up on my shoulder, and if he keeps going around to the back, I'll just sit back, and I've rolled into a supine position without exposing my head, my chest, or my back, right? Because my elbows are still connected to my knees the whole time. So I'll demonstrate it one more time. So if he's here and he comes around and he said it's like head super close, get your head distance away, roll up and drop back down. That's all it is. Right? You guys have seen, you probably have done it, but maybe not explicitly, right? So again, my elbows and knees are tight, no disconnection. He comes here and like, oh, head's super close. I'm gonna go down, right? He's gonna come up and around, whatever he happens to be. But I've transitioned from a seated position to a supine position without exposing anything,